Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to get back theme store on any Poco phone. Now, if you cannot find the themes app on your home screen and on your app drawer, but when you open the settings app and if you scroll down, you can find the themes app. And if you tap on the themes app, it opens the themes app perfectly. Now, to fix this problem, just go to the settings. Now from here, scroll down and tap on apps. Now from here, tap on manage home screen shortcuts. Now from here, just enable the themes option. Now once you have done that, just go to your home screen and open the app drawer. Now as you can see, we can find the themes option. Just drag it and place it to your home screen. And now, if you cannot find the themes app on your home screen, but when you open the settings app, you can find the themes option in your settings app. But when you tap on the themes option, it opens the themes app, but it shows the default theme or one or two more themes. And if you go to apps and tap on manage home screen shortcuts, you cannot find the themes option. If you go back and if you search in the manage apps, and search for theme, you might find the themes option in the manage apps. Now to fix this issue, just reset your phone. And while setting up your phone, just make sure to give the permission for the themes app and all the other settings. And this is how you can get back theme store on any Poco phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.